Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a project share that I did with Millie the Silent Crafter on Monday night, which was the 16th? No, I believe the 15th. Let me double check. Yes, Monday the 15th. We were doing a collaboration, and this is what we did Monday night. We were doing the letter K for Kwanzaa, and this is what I made. I colored the candles by hand, and I popped them up to make them look 3D. I also made my card an easel card, and I took a piece of cardboard to make it where the easel part stands up. And I did this on my computer. I have some little stickers here, and here I'm gonna find something else to put there. I'm gonna also put my information on the back of this. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more fun, laughter, and creativity. Also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload new content, or when I do a premiere. Also, be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, be creative, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now.